Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce overhead costs with Upwork, full guide step by step clearly. Start by evaluating your current overhead costs. Identify which expenses are essential and which can be reduced or eliminated. Next, determine the specific tasks or projects that could benefit from freelance assistance. Create a list of these tasks, such as graphic design, writing, or bookkeeping. Visit the Upwork website and create an account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to find freelancers who specialize in your identified areas. Review freelancer profiles carefully, checking their ratings, reviews, and portfolios. Narrow down your options by selecting candidates that meet your budget and skill requirements. Initiate contact with potential freelancers by sending them a brief message about your project. Clearly outline your expectations, deadlines, and budget when you communicate. After receiving responses, conduct interviews with your top candidates. Discuss their experience and how they can help reduce your overhead costs. Once you have selected the best freelancer, make sure to create a clear contract that outlines the scope of work. Set a reasonable payment structure that aligns with your budget. As your project progresses, maintain open communication to ensure both parties stay aligned. Evaluate the freelancer's work regularly to ensure it meets your standards. If you're satisfied, consider building a long-term working relationship to further reduce costs. Keep track of all expenses related to freelance work for reporting and analysis. Finally, review your overhead costs periodically to assess the impact of using Upwork on your budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.